All right. You do? Yeah, you got some. You got you a branch. Zay got him a branch. Getting hit. Bro, come on, just take it. I'm off. Oh, you got him one. Little white bass. All right, we gotta get this one. Well, I've caught in like 4, maybe 5 so far. Adjust this for the whole time. Now it's time to cast out. I'm gonna hit. Take it. Got it. Got it. Let's go. Oh, it's running. Yes, sir. A little small white bass. Oh, there he goes. Oh, bro, there's so many rocks down here in this water, and I'm barefoot. I should have brought my Crocs so I could walk in the water. Yeah, I'm still on. Let's recast. Getting hit. Take it, man. Take it. He's twitching at it. Got it. Let's go. Oh, this one's fighting. Oh, this one's fighting. What is that? What is that? What is that?
We caught a big one earlier, big drum.
Oh, what is it? Like some type of...
It's a,
Oh, it's a, Isaiah, it's a, what is it called? I forgot what it's called. It looks like a carp. Oh, man.
what is it?
I don't know.
He caught a different species.
Look at this.
Just now.
It's, I forgot what it's called. Yo, this is nice.
People to take them back to
Bro, I don't even know what that is.
yeah, so I think that's definitely what it is. Here, hook me a worm on it.
Hold on, bro. Bro, I forgot the name for that fish. I know exactly what it is. Get me hooked. I'm recast.
Yeah, I think the bigger fish are like down there.
Am I
Trying
hooked?
to get down.
Am I hooked? Oh, I thought I was hooked. Get a bite. Oh, I got one. I think. Oh.
He caught another one.
Another white bass. Oh. Dang, he took my worm. Another little white bass. Oh, this one's twitching. Oh, goodbye. Let's get some more worm. I've caught at least like 6, I think, so far. I got water all over my reel. I gotta clean this off and let it dry.
I mean, once you dig in, just dig in with your foot. Yeah. Moving, you could definitely see the rocks peeking out. So if I was to jump off the bridge, I'd be okay? No, you definitely crack something.
Well, in like Colorado and shit, they have this fast-moving fucking river.
Oh yeah.
Isaiah, it's got a net. Yeah, I knew I wasn't tripping.
No, that's a different. Yo, that's another.
Yeah, I know. What is...
They said it is pretty deep though. Like it rises up to like that one. And that is, he said, it rises a little bit higher than this. Yeah, a little bit.
Then you could probably, after I'd say you could probably.
Oh, got water on my lens. Zay got some. Probably a little white bass. Let's see. Reel it, reel it. Oh, I don't know. It's probably not a white bass.
Oh my gosh.
Another drum?
Oh my gosh.
Another drum?
No.
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
We got a drum.
I got a drum.
Let me see. I'm gonna catch you one if you want me to.
No, Joe.
Here, take him.
Is it alive?
Sir. Get him. Help me.
So that's my fault?
Yes.
That's my fault?
You see
All
me
right.
struggling?
It's my fault that you dropped the fish. Okay. That don't even make sense, Isaiah. I got dirt all over my reel, bro. Hold on for that. All right, just cast it out. Got hooked up again. I know that's not good for the reel, but. Got one.
You got some?
Yeah. Oh, I just got took. Oh.
Nice.
That thing fought. I got another one. Yeah. Look, caught another one.
No, the big four.
Early in the season, he caught like 5, 6, 7.
Really? Yeah, I've caught probably, because we were here the other day, I've caught probably in all like 12.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Worms and small hooks are the what's popping.
We're using these garlic sensors.
Better. I just turned this thing in it.
I'm on you.
You got one?
No, I'm on you. Oh yeah, I do got one.
You can't have like no loose line on here. There we go. You should be able to cast after this. Let me see. Oh, I just got took. Am I on? I think I'm on. Oh yeah. Oh.
That's the other one.
Yeah, that's the other one I caught.
That's cool.
Oh, it's so slimy.
You caught one again.
I knew I was a trip. I was like,
That looks weird.
dang, he swallowed
Cut him
that.
and let him go.
Yo, he's tweaking. I'm gonna.
Fish. Bad fish. Might be too big for him.
Bro just got a rock bass. That's not. Oh, that's a good size too. That's nice.